The moon glowed like a pearl above a quiet village, where a kind girl named Hina lived alone in a tiny cottage. Hina's days were spent helping neighbors and caring for lost creatures, but her heart often ached with loneliness. Each night, she sat by her window, sharing her stories with the moon, hoping someone, somewhere, was listening. She remembered rescuing a wounded dove, nursing it back to health, and setting it free. Her small acts of kindness, her only comfort. Tonight, the moonlight seemed brighter, casting silver across her floor and filling her with a sense of anticipation. The world outside was hushed, as if waiting for something magical. Hina leaned into the moonbeams, her heart open to the night's quiet promise. The air shimmered with possibility, and for the first time, her loneliness felt lighter, touched by hope. She closed her eyes, letting the peace of the night settle around her. The moon watched over her, a silent companion in the darkness. Hina's gentle spirit glowed even when no one was watching. Tonight, she sensed, was different. The ordinary could become extraordinary, and perhaps, just perhaps, magic was near. A soft flutter broke the silence. On Hina's windowsill landed a dove, glowing with silvery light. Hina recognized it instantly, the same dove she had once saved. But now, it radiated a magical aura, its feathers shimmering in the moonlight. The dove hopped closer, nuzzling Hina's hand, filling her with warmth and peace. The room glowed brighter, the air humming with a gentle melody. Hina felt wonder, not fear. She knew this was no ordinary night. The dove gazed into her eyes, understanding her joys and sorrows. In that moment, Hina felt truly seen. The bird she had helped had returned, bringing with it a promise of change. The night was no longer silent. It was alive with magic. Something extraordinary was about to unfold. Princess Arzu faded, leaving Hina with a glowing silver ring. "This will protect and guide you," she whispered. With a final smile, Arzu vanished in a shower of silver light. Alone, Hina gazed at the ring, warmth and hope blooming in her heart. She was no longer just a lonely girl. She was a friend to a princess, touched by magic. Morning brought sunlight, birdsong, and new gifts. Silver coins, a silk dress, and a note with a dove, moon, and star. Hina's worries melted away, replaced by wonder and gratitude. The loneliness was gone, her life forever changed. She smiled, knowing her story was only beginning. Magic had entered her world, and hope would never leave. The moon's promise had come true.